I'm Susan. Today I'm making a new recipe. It's a potato casserole and it's made with shredded hash brown potatoes. It sounds delicious and I can't wait to try it. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 2 pounds of shredded hash browns, a half a cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of salt, a half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, a half a cup of chopped onion, 16 ounces of sour cream, and 10 ounces of grated cheddar, or any cheese of your choice. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am buttering my casserole dish. This makes either a large casserole or 2 medium casseroles. Now you want to just take all your ingredients and pour it up in a big bowl and mix it together really well. After you get it mixed, you want to pour it up into your buttered casserole dish and spread it out smoothly. For your topping, you'll need 2 cups of crushed Ritz Crackers and 1/4 cup of melted butter. And you just want to mix this together and sprinkle it over the top of your casserole. Once you get your cracker crumbs all over your casserole, you want to bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes until it's bubbly and golden brown. And here it is. And this was definitely a keeper. It was so good. My whole family loved it, and they want it again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.